What's up, YouTubes? Too Many Choices back again, and today's an unboxing video. So ever since I started carrying guns, I've only carried 40 Smith & Wesson or 45s, and of course got 40 on the hip, those aren't loaded. But anyway, I've always carried something that starts with a 4 or even 357 SIG because I figure that can round up. I'll count it anyway. It's a strong enough cartridge. But this is not about the cartridges today, but it's about my first 9mm handgun. What's in the box? Let's find out. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? So, it's a shipment from PSA, I'll tell you that much. And Palmetto State Armory. And the first thing we find is a Glock 19 mag, factory Glock magazine. Let's see, that is 15 rounds, so it is for a Glock 19. And what else do we have in here? A Glock 17 mag, so 17 round magazine. Yay. And what do we have in this? I've been waiting for this little sucker. It is a dagger slide. So this, combined with this, and combined with my, let's see, this conversion barrel. Oh no, that doesn't go in there, sorry. That goes in this. That combined with this, which is a Alpha Wolf Glock 19 barrel, and the accompanying spring will make it so that I can just swap out either the barrel if I want to, or I can swap out the entire upper slide and then have a 9mm handgun. So I'm pumped. It has the, let's pull this thing out of here. There's the top plate and the screws. Don't need to worry about that really. But here is the slide. It is complete minus the guide rod and spring and a barrel. So I'm not going to put all that together here, but I will throw it together shortly and then come back and make a quick video about the new Glock 19 that I have. I'm pumped. I've also got something else coming in the mail that I think is even cooler than that because I don't really shoot 9mm. So, but yeah, it's, I don't know if this is OD green, but it is a RMR cut with the suppressor height, well not suppressor height, but raised sights. I will be switching these out for some better sights, some type of night sight that is suppressor height, and I will be getting an RMR type red dot of some sort. So stay tuned. It's gonna be fun. Peace.